Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome you to the online portal of AIIMS-HANDWARA. So this is Irfan Ahmed. Now let's have a brief introduction of the topic what's an equation. You have already gone through this topic. So let's discuss this once again. So before moving directly to this topic equation, let's understand what is algebra. Dear students, the beauty of algebra is that it helps us to write long phrases into short variables. तो अलजेब्रा से हम क्या करते हैं? अलजेब्रा हमें हेल्प करता है लॉन्ग फ्रेजेस को शॉर्ट में राइट करने में मदद करता है अलजेब्रा. So this is the beauty of algebra. Suppose let's have an example. This is sum of 3 and 6. This is a phrase, sum of 3 and 6, or this is the mathematical statement. If you will write this sum of 3 and 6, we will write mathematically this as 3 plus 6. Now let's modify this statement. If we will modify this statement a bit, let's have an example, sum of a number and 6. Now here, this is also a mathematical statement, but here, sum of a number and 6. A number means ये number unknown है यहाँ पे, हमने उस number की बात नहीं की, and 6. So that unknown number we represented by x plus 6. So ये दूसरा statement है. Now this 3 plus 6, this is also called an expression, but यहाँ पे सिर्फ numbers use हैं, तो हम इसको कहते हैं numeric expression. Numeric expression. This is numeric expression. And this sum of a number and 6, here we have represented this unknown number by x, so we will call this expression as algebraic expression. So we will call this expression as algebraic expression. Now if we will modify, this is first statement, this is second statement, and if we will modify this second statement a little bit more, now sum of a number and 6 equals to 12. Sum of a number means a number वो unknown है, that is x, वो हमने रखा x, and 6, तो इनका sum किया हमने. फिर यहाँ पे क्या है, equals to 6, हमने ये लिखा equal to 12, sorry, so equal to 12. So ये जो whole statement है, इसको हम कहते हैं equation. This is a long phrase, sum of a number and 6 equals to 12. So by this algebra, we can write in short x plus 6 equal to 12. So this statement or this whole mathematical statement, this is not called expression, but this is called equation, or we can write it as algebraic equation, or we can write this as simple equation or simple linear equation. This is the basic concept regarding this equation. So what's an equation? So this equation has been derived from the concept that is algebra. So you must know what is algebra. So I have given a short example of this to understand what is algebra, what is an algebraic expression, and what is an equation. So in this equation there are parts. This part, that is unknown part, this is called variable or variable part. This numeric part, it is called as constant, and this is also a constant. And here the operator is plus. The operator here is plus. Now one interesting thing, or one thing you must know, that this equality sign, it was invented, the symbol, this equality sign, this equality symbol, sorry, this is symbol, not sign. This equality symbol was invented in 1557. This was invented in 1557 by a mathematician known as Robert Ricord. Robert Ricord. This symbol was invented in 1557 by Robert Ricord. So this is all about this equation or this algebra. So in next lecture we will discuss or we will solve the questions.